101.1 Smart FM, the spirit of Indonesia, still with BPC. BPC.
Wow, right and breezy.
Okay, giving applause first. Okay, we still have a time. It how many minutes left? Okay, 12 minutes left. Oh
Let's
my
go.
God, time flies. Okay, anyway, for the third question, this is a very personal. Okay, Eddie, I want to ask you, um, do you want to put legacy in your life, and what is your orientation for the peoples?
Okay, so well, that's a good question because
Mhm.
I'm still this young and I
Mhm.
have to think about
Me
it.
too, still young. Yeah, we are still
Yeah.
young.
So yeah, I really want to put a legacy in my life,
Yeah.
and I believe that everyone in this world wants to to do the same
Uh-huh.
because when we go away from this world,
Mhm.
we need to be remembered,
Mhm.
right?
Mhm.
So I think that to do it, I have to.
What things you want to create?
Yeah. So I really want to create something that is like maybe a new way to learn English,
Okay.
or to learn a new language
Can we switch?
in this world. It could be
Yeah.
online
Uh-huh.
or offline, something like that.
Okay.
But I'm still working on it, and I still don't have the exact way to do it. But because I just got started, so I think I'm going to get to that way.
Okay.
And so I feel like what I need to make sure is I put in the work.
Okay.
I make create action first, and yeah.
In
So
other words, that you
yeah.
wanna create education platform,
Yes,
right?
exactly.
Yeah, to
That's what I was
yeah,
doing.
to helping people in special education side, right?
Yes, exactly.
Okay, thank you, Eddie. What about you, Richard?
Okay, for
What
me,
kind of legacy you want to create?
I would like to make an legacy since I was a child, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
But right now, as I changed my mind, I still want to make it.
Your mind, you change your
Oh
mind?
no.
Okay. Your mindset, maybe?
Yeah,
Okay.
I guess I would like to create the opportunity for all the people around the world
Mm-hmm. Like?
to get a job.
Okay. A job seeker platform.
Not not
Debt
not a
creature.
jobs. Yeah, not job creatures.
Debt creatures.
Yeah, I would
Okay.
like to be a founder of
Ah.
a company
Okay.
which
I
is
mean,
located in.
uh-huh.
No,
Okay,
yeah,
I
we
see.
need to start it
Uh-huh.
from East Indonesia first
Uh-huh.
because you
Uh-huh.
know
Uh-huh.
the
Yeah,
sun
yeah.
comes from
Yeah.
the east.
Okay, thank you. What about you? What do you want to create? Could you offer your microphone? What kind of legacy you want to create for the?
Um, what what I will create for my legacy?
Yeah.
Uh, yeah, is my I guess is attitude.
Maybe you wanna build like personality school because you're talking about attitude, like Robert John Powell, something like that. The school who talk or teach
yeah,
about personality or
yeah,
attitude,
yes,
something like that.
yeah. I want to build like how to say like
Mhm.
like a school like
School teach how to be a
did-
good person.
yeah, teach about how to be a good attitude.
Yeah, yeah.
Not only we learn about our knowledge,
Mhm.
but the first one is attitude.
Attitude. Okay,
Yes.
thank you, Brian. Okay, self empowerment. Yeah,
Yeah.
attitude. What about you,
Okay.
Sam? What kind of legacy you want to
Uh,
create?
once again want to emphasize like
Mhm.
my statement before that I say that the legacy is not about how big how big the things that you have done to
Not
people.
only.
Not only
Ah.
the things, something big to you bring to people.
Yeah.
So I think even though it's just a tiny little thing,
Mhm.
will be stay forever in everyone's heart.
Mhm.
For example, like you meet people on the street, maybe it will be uh, stay forever in their heart when you smile at the people that you met everywhere, and also like the kids that you have that you have in wherever you are.
Okay, let's say atomic legacy.
Yeah.
Even like a busy Zara,
Yep.
right?
Mm.
Okay, atomic legacy. Thank you.
Yep.
You want to still
Yeah.
make an addition?
So it's so being nice to people, I think, because we never know that everyone out there what they're going through, so we have to being nice to them. Maybe it's just like if we dump something, if we do something like that make them memorize us.
Let me speak in bahasa. Kita nggak bakalan tahu kebaikan mana yang akan mengantarkan kita ke surga.
Yep,
Right?
that's exactly the point that I'm trying to say.
Okay.
That we never know that the
yeah.
thing that the din that we have done to them, maybe that's just a little tiny things
Yeah. Atomic.
that we never know.
Atomic.
Yep.
Okay. What about you?
What?
What is the
What a
question? What
question.
is the question? What is the
Okay.
question? What is the
I still
question?
remember.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
You remember?
Before I said what I want to make legacy of
Yeah.
myself.
Yeah.
This is before that. I want to
Uh-huh.
say thank you for my lecture in my universities. Is
Wow.
Mem Zulfi and
Uh-huh.
Mem Jusi.
Uh-huh.
They just always say me what you must learn about linguistic and what Mem Zulfi said that is not only the like budaya even
Culture.
culture
Yes.
you find from the other country, but the culture will be coming for you if you know English. How come? If you be tour guide and you good attitude, you'll be switch by the culture for the tourism
Okay, you're talking
and
about.
make myself that is the legacy from tourism. That is a good man.
Okay. This is about value, value.
really.
Okay, good. Guys, maybe you have a vocabulary or idioms or wisdom words or conclusion or whatever. Okay, start from you. What do you want to say? Maybe special vocabularies or wisdom words or idioms.
I just want
Conclusion.
to say about if you wanna make an essay and you want a good vocabulary, you
Yeah.
can use like if you want to say I would like to inform, you should say I would like to demonstrate to you by it's like some synonym. And if you like go to the abroad and you wanna ask your teacher, don't say like I have a question for you. You should say I have any inquiries for you.
Okay, because our time is a very limit, I move to Eddie. Okay, what about, do you have a special vocabularies about our topic
Yes.
this evening, or idioms, or conclusion, or
Okay.
final statement, or whatever?
Okay, so it's an idiom. So it's pass the torch. So it means that you continue the legacy. So if you say
Okay.
I pass the torch
Translate
to
to
my
Indonesia to smart
so
viewers and listeners.
okay, so pass the
Yeah.
torch means melanjutkan warisan.
Okay.
Yeah. So pass the torch.
Mhm.
So for example, you say I pass the torch to my son. So it means that saya buat anakku untuk melanjutkan warisannya.
Okay,
And
thank
yeah.
you. Clear, Eddie. Thank you. What about you? Do you have a vocabularies or idioms or conclusion or final words or wisdom words?
Maybe a conclusion for this.
Okay.
Yeah. So my conclusion for this topic.
Make it short. Okay.
Topic for tonight. if you want to be to make a legacy,
Yes.
like you have to be you have to create something like like the thing and the most important thing that is that is attitude.
Okay.
Your good attitude.
Yeah, not only create but also attitude. Yeah, inside.
The main point.
The main point.
Yes.
Okay, thank you, Brian. What about you? Do you have what
maybe
kind of you want
maybe
to
it's like
express?
a close statement for me.
Okay.
So it doesn't matter that how tiny little thing that you have done to people. Maybe that's the reason that you reach like this state in your life that you dream of every day. So I think being nice to people, be good to people, so it will be, maybe you will be memorized by someone in everyone's heart by the tiny little thing that you've done to them.
Okay, well, nice. What about you? You want to express a conclusion or idioms or vocabularies or whatever?
Everything. All of them.
No,
all of them.
just put one. Just
Okay,
put
all of
one.
them.
Come on.
That is the meaning
Okay.
happy that you are. Seberapa kasihan kamu atau happy that I am. Kasihannya diriku. And the last is dubbing. That is means following, not following by Instagram, but following how to the intonation and the mimic.
Okay.
And the last for the smart listener.
Okay.
That is
final words.
If you don't know something want you to do, don't afraid, and you must try it. After that, you will know it what that is thing.
Okay, thank you guys. Giving applause first. Okay, once again, BPC.
Wow, Brian and Brisi.
Okay, thank you so much for coming in our second home in Smart FM. That's all our conversation about our topic this evening. The topic is Life is Legacy. So, we will be right back for the next week. Stay tuned on Smart FM 101.1, The Spirit of the Region. Bye.